Welcome back to the AI Coach by Anil Nathu. Today we're going to do a deep dive into something really cool.
Cool. You mean composite AI?
Yeah, I mean it's changing how we think about, using AI to solve problems.
Absolutely. It's like instead of just using one AI technique, we're bringing a bunch of them together.
Right, like a dream team of AI, right?
Totally. Like think about machine learning, natural language processing, even, good old-fashioned logic.
Yeah, all those things working together, right? And Anil Nathu talks about this a lot in the AI Coach. So why is this such a big deal?
Well, think about it this way. Let's say you're trying to build a house and all you have is a hammer.
Right.
You're not going to get very far.
Yeah.
You're going to need a saw, screwdriver, all sorts of tools.
Yeah.
And composite AI is kind of similar. Each AI technique, it's like a tool. It has its own strengths and weaknesses.
Okay, I see. So by combining them, we create something much more powerful.
Exactly. It's like having a whole toolbox instead of just that one hammer.
And that makes AI way more versatile,
Right.
able to tackle all sorts of different challenges.
Right. And the cool thing is we're already seeing this happen, like in healthcare.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's composite AI doing in healthcare? I know Anil Nathu has talked about that a bit in the AI Coach.
Well, imagine being able to take a patient's entire medical history, combine it with real-time data from like wearable sensors,
Wow.
and then using machine learning to predict potential health risks, like years in advance.
That's amazing. That could completely change how we approach preventative care, right?
Exactly. And we can tailor treatments to each individual patient. It's pretty remarkable.
It is. It's almost like personalized medicine, but powered by AI. And what about other fields? What about in finance?
Oh, finance is huge for composite AI. Think about fraud detection.
Yeah, that's a big one.
So composite AI can blend predictive analytics with rule-based systems, like kind of a safety net to catch anything suspicious.
Oh, that's smart. So it's like a double layer of protection.
Yeah. And it can catch things that traditional methods might miss. It can protect businesses and people from financial harm.
So composite AI sounds amazing, but it can't be all sunshine and roses, right? There must be some challenges too.
Well, yeah, it's still a pretty new field, right?
Hmm.
One of the biggest challenges, and I think Anil Nathu mentions this in the AI Coach, is that there's a lack of standardized tools.
Uh-huh.
It's like everyone's kind of doing their own thing.
Someone makes it tough to know where to start.
Yeah, and to make sure systems can actually talk to each other, interoperability is really important.
That makes sense. And I'm guessing the expertise needed to build these systems is pretty specialized too.
Oh, yeah. You need people who understand not just one AI technique, but how they all can work together.
It's like you need a conductor for an orchestra, right?
Exactly. Someone who knows how to blend all the instruments to create a beautiful symphony.
So for business leaders out there, what should they be doing? How can they prepare for this?
Well, Anil Nathu gives some great advice in the AI Coach.
Okay, what does he say?
Start by figuring out where your current AI solutions are falling short.
Right.
What problems are you really struggling with?
Right.
Once you know that, then you can build a team, with people who have expertise in different AI techniques.
So you need a diverse team. Makes sense.
And definitely invest in the right tools and platforms.
Right. The right
I mean,
infrastructure is key.
And don't be afraid to do some pilot projects. Test things out, see what works before, diving all the way in.
So start small, learn as you go, and then scale up.
Exactly.
That makes a lot of sense. I think it's clear composite AI is still kind of in its early stages,
Yeah.
but wow, it has such huge potential. I mean, it's definitely something businesses and leaders need to be thinking about right now.
Yeah, absolutely.
And for our listeners, if you want to learn more about all of this, definitely check out the AI Coach by Anil Nathu. So many great insights in there.
Yeah, it's a fantastic resource.
Well, on that note, thank you for joining us today. Visit the AI Coach website for more AI insights by Anil Nathu.